Hey everyone, quick video today. I talked to my friend to find out if he wanted ceiling fans or just regular lights in the two upstairs bedrooms, and he said just put regular lights in for the time being. And if he wants a overhead fan in the future, we can always swap it out easy enough. So I already installed this one. Works fine. These are what I used. They were $25 for a 2-pack at both Home Depot and Lowe's. I got these from Lowe's because Home Depot didn't have the bronze. They only had black. And my friend said he wanted everything to match, and I already had some bronze fixtures. So we went with the bronze from Lowe's. So I will show you the install really quick over in here. In the large room. That's basically what I did. I just tucked the always hot wire up into the box, and I got some 1.5-inch long screws that go right into the box. And what's nice is these studs for the fan will just stay up in the light fixture, and I don't need to touch them. So Wagos make this really nice. Just push them in, close the lever. Tuck all this up into the box. And here we go. Grab some light bulbs. Well, seems I won't be grabbing light bulbs. I used up my last one in the other fixture. But let's put it together real quick. So once I get some light bulbs, I can turn that light on. So there you go. Like I said, nice quick video. Just wanted to show you the new lights. Thanks for watching, everyone.